Oh, hey everyone. Welcome to my mess. These couches we've had for a few years and they've never been deep cleaned. And today we are going to do some cleaning. They didn't need to be deep cleaned necessarily before we had dogs, but now that we have dogs, they definitely need it. We bought these couches to be able to have everyone over at the same time and have a seat to sit on. We have a large family, about 15 people now, with husbands and children and all the things, and we needed a very large couch. The problem with this couch is each piece is connected, and you have to unconnect it to be able to get down really behind the couches, in between the couches, and things like that. So, first you have to undo everything, which is difficult. And then when you're done, you have to put it all back together, which is even more difficult. So taking these apart was almost an impossible task. Putting them back together was almost an impossible task. As you can see, having dogs has really increased the dust and debris in our house, and they have made a mess, and we need to clean it up. So my dogs were very interested in this new gadget that I had on the ground, so they had to smell it and smell it and smell it and see what it was. And you will see them throughout this video. They're very curious, but I love to have them around. And so I think we should get started. Okay, so I've done a total of 2 pieces of this giant couch, and I need to cover them so the dogs do not ruin them before we can actually enjoy them. And here I am counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 10 more pieces to go.
Okay, that's day one, and I do not want to do any more because I have to get ready to go to work here soon. And yeah, sweating. It's hot, but at least I've started.
I was hopeful on day 2 to get a lot more done. Let's see how we do.
Hey guys, what you doing? Stevie, stop. Stevie, stop. Stevie, 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 stop. Hey, look at me. Stevie.
Well, folks, it looks like I got 2 more done today. It feels like it's going to take forever. And if I didn't have help, then it probably would have. So day 3-ish means that it was about 2 weeks after, but this is the 3rd day working on the couches. I was already over doing these couches. There was a lot of hard work. But I asked my grandsons if they would like to earn some money, and they said, heck yeah. Little do they know that it was more of a blessing for me than it was a payment to them.
Jeff will always come back there. We'll just put them in and
Yeah, well, I'm thinking this one.
Okay.
Oh my word. Who lives in this house who's the only girl? Oh, that's me. They found a ring, several hair ties, makeup, a dog brush, lots of pens. Unfortunately, they did not find any money, which is very sad. We are done. Let's look back to what they used to look like. Okay, look how awesome they look now.